Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Audacity versus Reaper and figure out which DAW or digital audio workstation you should use in 2025. If your production, music, broadcasts, and or doing anything audio editing, this guide will help you choose. Audacity is free, open source, and beginner friendly. It's great for basic recording, editing, and applying effects. Its interface is simple and it works across Windows, Macs, and Linux. But it lacks advanced multi-track mixing, VST plugin support, and professional grade features. Reaper, on the other hand, is affordable but packed with professional tools. It supports multi-track recording, unlimited plugins, automation, MIDI, and full customization. It's lightweight, stable, and works on multiple platforms. The learning curve is steeper than Audacity, but you get far more control over your audio projects. So the choice depends on your goals. Audacity is perfect for beginners and simple edits, while Reaper is ideal for serious creators who need full DAW capabilities. So that's Audacity versus Reaper in 2025. If you want a free, easy to use editor, Audacity is the way to go. But if you're ready for professional tools and deeper control, Reaper is the better choice. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.